on, baby. Get frustrated. Get frustrated. You can do it. Yay! Get that ball. Where is it? There it is. Get the ball. Am I in the stand?
No.
Come this way, baby. Come on. Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Come this way. Oh, you're not giving up, are you? You gonna throw a temper tantrum? Yay! We got a
Everybody
temper
on
tantrum.
camera gets to see the temper tantrum.
Wee! Go this way. Come this way. You're almost at the ball. Hey, baby. What's this? What's this? Come get it. Come get it. See if I can roll the ball for her again.
Don't get it. You don't
I'm
want
not.
to do you?
I think I'm not in it. Ready? Here comes the ball. Trinity. Here's the ball. Ready? Here it comes. Oh, you got it. Yay! There it is. Where is it? Where is it? It's right there. Where'd it go? Where'd you go? There it is. There it is. Oh, dang, that didn't work.
Just go again.
You got it. Get it. Yay. You can do it. Stretch. Good girl. You almost have it. Oh, it's rolling away. Come back, come back. Go for it, girl. You can do it. Get frustrated and mad at that ball. Get that ball. You almost got it. Get that ball. It won't come to you, honey. Where are you going? Where are you going? I move and I go backwards. Mommy. Mommy, somebody.
She gets frustrated and probably do the thing that she always does in her crib when I see it.
Hey, I'm good. I plotted that. Did you get the ball? Yeah.
I got
now
the
you
ball.
got the ball. You like the ball? Is it pretty? Oh, you like the ball. But you can't chew on it though, huh? Oh, it doesn't help your teeth, son.
Thanks for helping me.
You're welcome.
I was trying to get her to go back.
She was going backwards the wrong way into everything. Get it? Uh-oh.
Oh, no, she got me.
Uh-oh.
Got a little royal mad now.
Uh-oh. Watch out. Here it comes. Uh-oh. Get it. I know, baby. Get it. We're going.
You're going the wrong way, sweetheart. Right, you're going the wrong way.
She needs to learn to go forward.
Oh, it's okay. We're going. Hey, Trinity. Trinity, we're going. We're going. Debbie. We're going. You got way out of control, huh? The ball's that way, huh? Where you going? Oh, baby girl.
But you don't want me to be on camera. You want me to move her back and put her with the ball?
Yeah, I'm done now.
Are you done with that? Good, thank God.
Hey, little one.